How to Add Faces in Google Photos Face Grouping Tutorial 2025. Google Photos to recognize people and group their faces automatically. This video will show you exactly how to turn on face grouping and add faces to your photos. Step 1. Open Google Photos. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Step 2. Turn on face grouping. To allow Google Photos to detect faces, you must enable face grouping. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Go to Photos Settings. Now tap Group Similar Faces. Turn on the option Face Grouping. Step 3. View Face Groups. Now go back to the main screen. Tap the Search tab at the bottom. At the top, you will see boxes showing different people's faces. These are your automatically created face groups. Step 4. Add a name to a face. Tap any face. Then tap Add a Name. Type the person's name and save it. Google Photos will now recognize that person in all photos. Step 5. Merge duplicate faces. Sometimes Google creates two different groups for the same person. To fix this, open a face group, tap the three dots and choose Merge Face Groups. Select the duplicate groups and merge them. Step 6. Add missing photos manually. If a face didn't appear automatically, you can add it manually. Open a photo, swipe up, scroll to People, tap Add a Person. Select the correct face group. Step 7. Turn on face recognition across devices. To sync face groups across your devices, go to Settings, Group Similar Faces, turn on face model sharing. Now your face labels stay the same on all your devices. Outro, and that's it. This is how you enable face grouping and add faces in Google Photos. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.